Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Are you ready to transform your meals with a delicious, dairy-free sour cream? You can whip up this creamy, tangy delight in just about 5 minutes. It's perfect for slathering on tacos, dolloping onto baked potatoes, or using as a rich dip base for your favorite snacks. You only need a few simple ingredients, most likely already in your pantry, and a good blender to get started on this incredibly easy recipe. Prepare to be amazed by its versatility and fantastic flavor. The secret to our unbelievably creamy vegan sour cream lies in one humble ingredient: raw cashews. They provide an incredible richness and a smooth texture that rivals dairy, all without any animal products. Before blending, remember to soak your cashews in hot water for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step softens them significantly. A proper soak ensures that your final product is ultra-smooth and wonderfully silky, with absolutely no grittiness. It's the foundation for our perfect tangy topping. Now, let's talk about those essential flavor boosters that give our vegan sour cream its distinctive tang. Fresh lemon juice is crucial. It provides that classic sour cream brightness and a lovely citrusy kick. We also incorporate apple cider vinegar, which adds another layer of tartness and complexity, really deepening the overall flavor profile. Finally, a generous pinch of salt is vital to balance everything out, enhancing all the other delicious notes and making it truly irresistible. These elements create a perfect symphony of taste. With all your ingredients ready, it's time for the magic to happen in the blender. Combine your well-soaked cashews, fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, salt, and just a splash of water into your high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low speed, then gradually increase it to high, letting it process until everything is completely smooth and creamy. Don't forget to pause and scrape down the sides as needed. This ensures all ingredients are fully incorporated, creating that wonderfully uniform texture we're aiming for. Once blended to perfection, transfer your creamy vegan sour cream into an airtight container. Pop it in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. This step is important. Chilling allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully together, and it helps the texture firm up to that perfect, scoopable consistency. Now, get creative. Enjoy it generously on tacos, nachos, hot chili, or even use it as a fantastic base for creamy salad dressings and various dips. It truly enhances any dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.